Nurses rely on recruitment agencies a lot when it comes to navigating their career. Although staffing agencies put the power of choosing the right job into their nurses' hands, it's still really important that your organisation is seen as being trustworthy. And the easiest way for your staff to see you as trustworthy is by offering them stability from the get-go. Your candidates do not want to waste hours of their precious time sending you documentation, waiting for you to verify them, and then them having to resend it again because you've gone and misplaced them all. The onboarding process is your candidate's first impression of your organisation, so making sure that it runs smoothly gives your candidates the impression that they can trust you with their career progression. Administrative managers need the resources available to get their candidate compliant as fast as possible, and therefore just setting them up for success. By swapping to an automated credentialing system, you're able to leave the Excel era behind you, meaning you can ease the burden of paperwork for your administrative staff and also give your candidates the ability to upload their documentation on their own time. Credentially is an expert-driven solution filled to the brim with user-friendliness and efficiency, and is founded by a healthcare professional for healthcare professionals. It breathes life into your pre-employment checks process and ongoing compliance that the healthcare sector demands. We're basically just a one-stop shop for all your onboarding and credentialing needs. The best staffing agencies are always the ones that put the candidates first, so make sure that your staff bank know that they are your #1 priority. This encourages them to stay with you and not run off with the competition. It also helps the possibility of them recommending colleagues to you in the future. To find out how you can create the perfect onboarding experience for your new candidates and make your administration staff's life easier with automated credentialing checks, head to www.credentially.io for more information.